Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruben Magic Sam channel. Today we are at Mahindra to look at the Mahindra EV3XO. This is a mid-size SUV. Today, when we talk about the figure, that vertical headlamps, which are C-type DRL. We here get LED projector headlamps with some LED fog lamp. If we look over here, we get end-to-end black piano finish, end-to-end black piano finish with chrome strips and also the Mahindra Twin Peak logo. Beneath it, we can also see a large amount of air intake from the grill to the engine to keep it cool. When we come up, we look here on the bonnet, we get large size of creases. In total, when we look at the car, we this car looks very futuristic, modern, and is great looking. When we come to the side of the car, we first notice the car looks very similar to the XUV300. This part of the car is having the same shape of the XUV300. When we come to the wheel of the car, 17 inches alloy wheels, which no other car in this segment offers. These come with diamond cut alloy wheels. There are also wheel arches offered over here with a cut on them. They look good on this car. When we come back, the wheel arches continue beneath it. This car offers a good ground clearance of 201 mm. The side mirrors of this car are electronically foldable and come in black color. If we go to the top model of the car, AX7 luxury pack, we get dual tone, black roof and the body color too. We also notice the wheels of this car also come in black finish and also they have a design on them. In total, the car looks good. So when we come at the back of the car, the first thing that we notice is the end-to-end tail lamps. These tail lamps tell us how wide this car looks from behind. Then we have reverse lights and indicators. Here we can look at the Twin Peak logo, the badging of XUV3XO. We get rear wipers, we get rear dimmer, and the spoiler with tail light. Beneath it, we can see a black highlight which gives a good border to the car. We also get reflectors over here. And also there's the use of silver plate also beneath it. If we come to the boot of the car, so the boot button is very small and it is very difficult to find it over here. So if we are carrying things, it is difficult to find where the button actually is and the things get messy. If we come to the boot of the car, if we fill it up, if we fill the boot to till the seats, the space is 295 liters, and if we fill the boot till the brim, then it gets to 364 liters of boot space. When we come to the interior of the car, we first look of the dual tone black and ivory finish in the whole car. In the top model, we also get ivory seats, but those are difficult to maintain due to dirt and Indian climate conditions. When we also get comfortable seats, these are pretty comfortable seats for long journeys. We also get black finish over here, black finish over here with some designs and patterns over here. In total, the car looks great from exterior. There is a lot of soft touches. The steering wheel is good. This is a leather wrapped steering wheel, which feels good in hand. So when we talk about the features of the XUV3XO, we first have a look. We get a 10.2 inches of infotainment screen, 10.2 inches of driver's digital display. We also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. We get wireless charging pad. We also get dual zone climate control for each passenger. We also get 360-degree camera. We also get electrical auto dimming lights and rain sensing wipers. This car also gets electrical parking brakes and auto hold function in the top variant, which are these cars USP. This car also gets three driving modes like Zip, this is the comfort mode, Zap, which is the normal mode, and the Zoom is the power mode, which engages the car's high power. Actually, this car is very much powerful and it gives you a great punch on the road when you put the feet on the pedal. The second USP is it also gets the panoramic sunroof in the top variant. This car is the AX5, so it doesn't get, but the AX7L luxury pack gets a panoramic sunroof that is huge. This car also gets the feature, it has one USB port on the front, which is a normal USB port. At the back of the car, there is a USB Type-C port, which gets 65 watts of fast charging for the phones. This car also gets an awesome 7-speaker Harman Kardon system, which sounds really great. First, talk about the second row of this car. We first notice 3 people can fit in easily in this car because this is a very wide car. So 3 people can travel a long distance. These seats are pretty comfortable and you can travel long distance in it. The thigh support is a bit of a problem, but it's fine for the small journeys. The knee room is great. This is set to my position. The people under 6 feet can sit comfortably. The knee room is great. The headroom in the top model is a bit of a problem because the panoramic sunroof comes till here, so the motor blocks your way for the headroom. But the lower models than it have a greater headroom. Other than that, the car is very comfortable, and if there is no passenger sitting in the middle of the car, you can put this handrest down. This is at a good position. You can sit comfortably and go long journeys. We have twin cup holders in the handrest. After the handrest, when we come in the front, we get 2 private vents over here, which are great. And beneath it, we can put your phone here and a USB Type-C charging for your phone. We also get a 12-watt charging socket over here, so we can charge your phones through it also. This car offers such great features, safety features like this car gets 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, ISOFIX child seating mounts, hill descent control, front and rear parking sensors, blind view monitor, tire pressure monitors, ADAS features. ADAS features includes like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, auto braking, etc., etc. This car gives a mileage on highway about 18 to 19 kmpl, and in the city, if you drive it in traffic, it gives around 15 to 16 kmpl of mileage. This car has a dimension of, the length of the car is 3990 mm. The width of the car is 1821 mm. The height of the car is 1647 mm. The wheelbase of this car is a huge 2600 mm. This car comes with 3 types of engine. 1.3 liter 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 111 horsepower and 200 newton meters of torque. The second engine that comes is 1.2 liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine with power 130 horsepower and 230 newton meters of torque. Third type is a diesel engine 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 117 horsepower and 300 newton meters of torque. Both diesel and petrol engine are pretty powerful and gives you a great feel when you drive them and has a lovely pickup too. This car never feels underpowered on the highway. This car is offered in India at a ex-showroom price of beginning is 7.49 lakhs and 14.99 lakhs ex-showroom. The on-road price depends on different states and cities. My final verdict on this car is it is very feature loaded and very powerful, offers great comfort at a great price. It is a feature loaded car with a great engine and a great power response, and it is comfortable for going large distances.
This car was lent to us by Punjab Automobiles, Mahindra, Sarkhej Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Thank you.